We are sharing our lunch hour with Dr. Stephen Marsh, who, like everyone else, is excited about summer, doctor, right?
Right. I'm a big sports guy, and I can't wait to go to an Indians game and sit outside again, quite frankly, Joe.
Sometimes without our masks. How about that?
Well, it's interesting. That's impacted a lot of people. And even in our office, during this COVID thing, we've all taken our game up a little in terms of
Right.
protocols. We've always worn masks and gloves. Now we're wearing an outer sheet, if you will, head covering, that sort of thing. And I think that's going to stay. We're dealing in our offices with saliva aerosols.
Oh, sure.
No place probably more than the dental office. So I think it's a good thing for the patients and for our team that we keep these protocols in place to keep the dental office a very, very safe place.
Well, we're seeing more smiles these days because the masks have dropped. So I'm sure that's helped a lot of people come to see you and say, look, fix this, right?
Well, that's right. Zoom impacted us because people saw their smile on Zoom.
Right.
And now that they're going to go out for dinner and be out with people, they again want to have a beautiful smile. So I thought we'd focus on some of those people where we've improved their smile.
Let's do it. Before and afters. We love this. Go ahead.
Yeah. So this is Hallie, and Hallie's a teacher. She was on Zoom a lot this year. She'll be glad when that's over. She came in with teeth decalcified. It happened to be the way her teeth actually came in. It wasn't helped by the orthodontics that she had. To make a long story short, we cleaned those off. We raised the tissue with gum contouring. We did 6 porcelain veneers. She's proud of her smile and said when time goes forward, we'll do a few more. But she loved the result, especially on Zoom. And I think now that she'll be teaching in a regular classroom again.
Beautiful. My goodness. And who's this?
Yeah, so Lindsay's a college student. For years, didn't like her smile.
That's the same smile, huh?
It's the same smile. Joe, in order to accomplish that, we raise the gum tissue. Again, we can do it in the office with a diode laser. It works very well. We can control it. And then on Lindsay, we did 10 porcelain veneers. We did lower reshaping. A big difference in the future. She'll do her lowers as well. But what a difference for her. She actually cried tears of joy when she saw her teeth. She said, I put up with this for a long time.
Wow. That's awesome. And who's this?
So this is Lindsay, and Lindsay's a graduate student. She had a grinding problem. She had some dietary issues. And she came in with her father all the way from Pittsburgh and said, what can we do about this? We did a lot of stunning before we entered into it to make sure that we could accomplish this and also have something that she's comfortable with. So we did all this work. We actually did crowns or veneers on all her teeth, rebuilt the smile, rebuilt her bite. And now she got a job at a law firm. So she's ready to go, graduated, and was able to do this during this time when most things were shut down.
An incredible transformation there, no doubt.
Thank you. Angela is a real people person. So this sort of pandemic is very hard on people who wanted to be with people. We were able to do 6 porcelain veneers, close the spaces, and give her something she's really comfortable with. And as outgoing as she can be, this is really important to her.
Okay. And finally,
Andrew.
Wow.
This is probably one of the most dramatic cases we've ever done.
Yes.
Same sort of thing. He actually retired right during this COVID thing, wanted to have a beautiful smile, wanted to go out and date people again, quite frankly. And so we did porcelain veneers on the front, crowns in the back to give him a smile that he said he's proud of. It makes him feel much more youthful. And now he's ready to go out and see people and be with them again. And this smile before held him back. So he's thrilled with the way he looks right now.
Well, if you want to look your best, regardless of the season, mask or no mask, give Dr. Marsh and his team a call at 440-461-1003 or log on to clevelandsmiles.com. Thank you, doctor.
Always my pleasure, Joe.